let's move on to the next question. I love to ask you more questions, but the audience have a lot too. Ming has a question. Have you ever seen an innovative idea come out of the blueprint and become industrious? I'm not quite sure. I'm researching myself on a new product or an upgrade for commercial use. I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere. I'm looking for a way out.
I don't know whether I know this Ming. Certainly, it depends on the research field. Some research field definitely have to come up with a novel idea, and you have some products, some output that can be industrialized, can be used in industries. You can sell to the companies. You can. So that's why many people publish their patents and selling to the many companies so that they can create the products. I'm not good at that, but for those who study pharmaceuticals and some wet lab, they create some different formulas, products, especially for medications. Certainly dry labs, you can develop some models. So that's why I just asked if you have good statistical skill, you can develop the new AI models that can predict the outcome, predicts the cancers, and also using the different genes and also molecular levels. Then you can create different models. You can sell. And I just look at your question again that certainly I can sell some idea. Actually, even you are working in social science, just like Chen Ming or other, you certainly can still selling your idea. For example, now I publish some related to the data intake and also physical activities or rehabilitation method, and that work, right? And right now I'm collaborating with one professor related to using some strategic approach that can help the stroke patient can recover their cognitive functions. And if that work, we can sell, right? Not industries, but you can sell to the hospitals, right? You can sell to healthcare industry who want to do that. And you still can sell that to the companies who produce, who making the rehab instruments, right? So it still work if you can have that, but it's take a very long time to complete the journeys, to complete that, whether they want to buy it and the contracts in many terms there, and make sure that you will not be stolen. Yeah. So yeah, certainly, but you think your thinking is very pragmatic, right? Think something can create the products, just like plan something have the products immediately. Sometimes it's indirect products, sometimes it's direct product. You can sell direct or indirectly. Jack Ma is not create any new. But you see, he can create a platform that many people use that. Of course, he's not a scientist, but he is this, research. If he don't explore the market, he will never know. Many others also the same. Yeah. So think in multi-dimensions. If this stuck, right, look at the other dimension and see whether it's good or not, and try. I hope that you're happy with that.